Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at my 400 watt Mercury Vapor blacklight fitting, turning on with a white bulb, okay? I knew that I was going to have to try this out after experimenting with the blacklight bulb, okay? So you might remember this fitting, it's a recent fitting that I got. It's a 400 watt low bay Mercury Vapor light, okay, which is a blacklight fitting, and we're going to show it turning on with just a standard white Mercury Vapor bulb, okay? So the bulb I have in there is a standard white one, okay, which is 400 watt, and we're going to show it turning on with that, okay? All right, so there's the blacklight bulb right there, okay, and we're going to show it turning on with this one. So, I guess I'll do it from the other side. Here we go. Now this is just white, so it's not UV or anything. Now as it turns on, it puts off a nice pinky glow, but in person, on the camera it looks kind of white, but it is pink. Okay, now you got to be careful because these bulbs do get really hot, and they can burn your hand really bad if they're not cooled down. You can probably see the arc tube in there. This fitting also has a nice reflector in it, as you can see. It will do a good job at reflecting the light out. So this is just standard white. It's not black light blue, it's just white. Okay, it would be nice if I could get a clear Mercury Vapor bulb, but they're quite hard to come across. Okay, but a phosphor-coated one is what I prefer anyway. And this is a nice light fitting. I really like this thing. Okay, it's a 400 watt Mercury Vapor light, really. Okay, I do have now, this is pretty awesome. I now have a high pressure sodium metal halide Mercury Vapor 400 watt light now. This is pretty cool. I like these, and I just like them turning on. But a lot of you people out there like these old Mercury lamps firing up, especially these big 400s. Okay, whether it be white or black light blue, and that's almost at full brightness. Okay, now when you're running just a white bulb in here, it sure is different to the black light bulb, because the black light bulb puts out UV, as where this one here just puts out standard white light. Okay, like a fluorescent tube. It's nearly at full brightness. You can probably see the arc tube in there. I can feel the heat coming off it too. Now I've actually taken the glass diffuser off, okay, for this. Okay. There's a little hole in the phosphor there. Oh yeah, I can feel the heat coming off of that. It's putting off a bit of heat. It is getting hot. So with this fitting here, even the UV cannons, you can run standard white Mercury Vapor bulbs in them. Okay. Yeah, I think that's at full brightness now. Okay, so we'll take a look over here. It puts out a good amount of light too. Okay, it is old technology, but it is a good collector's item. Okay, I just like this thing. I just love it. It's so much fun. I also like Metal Supremo, which is the 400 watt high pressure sodium version of this. Okay, but then I also have the high bay, which is now the metal halide. I will have a separate video of that coming up once I get a phosphor coated bulb for it. Okay, so there you go, 400 watt Mercury Vapor. Standard white in my black light fitting. Okay, so that's what it looks like with just a white Mercury Vapor bulb in it. That's what I can run in it. Okay, I can run white Mercury Vapor bulbs in this. Okay, so that is looking pretty nice. Okay, and it's also very hot. Okay, so now it's at full brightness. Okay, you can see the arc tube in there. And now I guess we'll watch it turn off. Here we go. So there you go. So that is a quick showing you this black light with a white bulb in it. Hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.